darling, welcome to the Tarocle, and today we're going to do the unboxing of the Sacred Destiny Oracle cards. Sacred Destiny Oracle cards. So let's tear it up a little bit and see what's, sorry, let's tear it up a little bit and see what's in it. The studio is still underway, so I'm sitting in here and it's all echoing. It's not been soundproofed yet. It will be soon. And the window is wide open, so if you hear any noise, forgive me. But today's unboxing of the Sacred Destiny Oracle cards by Denise Lynn. Okay? Let's take a look. It's a 52 card deck. It says here it's a 52 card deck to discover the landscape of your soul. And this is the back side of the deck with a bit of information. Okay, we open the box and here you have the book. And here you have the deck. Inside the box it says the Sacred Destiny Oracle. And this is the top bit of the box. It's like this. Isn't it beautiful inside? Absolutely beautiful inside, I think. Let's put it aside and we will take a look at the cards later, but let's take a look at the book. Okay, this writer, Denise Lynn, has a lot of books here, oracle cards, audio programs as well, videos, and she dedicates these cards to Total Life Reset community with love. So there are 52 cards in here. There's a bit of instructions on how to read the cards and how to unveil their hidden meanings and discover the hidden meanings as well. Looks very promising to me. It also has a few readings and how to set a reading for these cards. Okay, so that's the book. Right? It's pretty thick. So it'll take a while to read. Now, let's unveil the cards. The cards are matte, just like the Monology cards, it's quite matte. This is the back of the card, it's landscape with the sunrise. Now, so let's go to the cards now. So here you have abundance, action, adventures, blessings, change, community, courage, delight, diligence, embracing, enlightenment, flexibility, flow, focus, forgiveness, freedom, fulfillment, gateway, going forward, happiness, healing chaos, illumination, inner peace, leadership, love, miracles, new beginnings, openness, opportunity, patience, pleasure, potential, power, protection, purification, purity, relaxation, release, security, simplicity, solitude, standstill, stillness, success, taking risks, thriving, transformation, trust, truth, voyage, wisdom, wonders. I absolutely love these cards because it's crisp. There's nice white borders. Yeah. It has the words at the bottom, the advice at the bottom. Yes. As well as a nice crisp painting on it. So now let's see how it does with the shuffle. It's pretty good, smooth. Let's see what messages we get for today. Here you go. So we got openness. Absolutely amazing. And you have all the constellations here. Star constellations. Along with the moon and the clouds. And it says the advice for today is openness. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing indeed. So I hope you like the bottom of the card is adventures. Right? I hope you like the unboxing of this card. I do truly like it. I'm quite drawn towards it, and I think it will be quite insightful, you know, for the tarot readings with the specific guidance messages that you get in these cards. It's absolutely lovely. It's a balance of both. It's positive messages as well as a bit of healing messages to move forward, you know, a bit of a push. I quite like it. So my darlings, I hope you like the unveiling of the Sacred Destiny Oracle cards. Here you go, I'll place it before you. And if you do like the cards, as I've revealed all the cards to you, if you do like the cards, go ahead and purchase it. There's no advertisement here, but I really like it. I like the packing of the cards, as well as the quality of the cards, as well as the picture paintings in the cards and the messages that go along with it. So my darling, that was all I have for you. That is all I have for you today, the Sacred Destiny Unveiling Unboxing. I hope to see you again in the next unboxing video. Until next time, take care. I love you. God bless.